She's just slipping like a beauty. Steve here, Shen RC, and I got the Clodbuster here. And we got the snowstorm. I don't know if it'll go through this. It's pretty deep and soft. Whew, and it's cold. Let's see how she does. She started up. Jeez. She's winding out. I'm not getting up there. Hit reverse. This stuff's soft. You got the plows going in the background. See if I could get up here. Oh! That's one of them parking curb things. Oh well, I tried, guys. This is on 2S Lipo also. She's just slipping like a beauty. Try over here. The mighty Clod still going in the slop. Oh, she sunk. We'll give her a whirl right here. Woo, slippery. Whoa! See some stunt here. Oh well. There's the mighty Clod. This stuff's slippery. Still fun. The deep stuff's too soft. You just can't go in it. Doing a side crawl there. Try up here real quick. Whoa! Try it again. Alright guys, just wanted to show you the clod. I knew the snow was going to be soft and kind of deep, but at least I got a little running footage of this beauty for you guys. If you liked the video, leave me a thumbs up. Appreciate it as always. Leave me a comment if you can. Hit that bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And Steve, Shen RC, will see you next time. On the way home. I have to climb up this, go through the woods, and walk up a street a block. Alright guys, see you next time.